Describing my work would be quite complicated because I don't just do one thing. People know me as a comedian, and I'm also an actor, and I also do poetry, but I hide it because, you know, I don't show it that much. It's something just kind of private. It's a work that is done through what one feels. It's so much easier to do something, write something when you feel it, when you connect with it. You can write about pain when you have it. You can't write about pain when you're happy. It can't work. That's why they say like the best artists are the ones that are like having problems and issues, because out of those problems they get the best work done. When I'm on stage, I feel like I'm home. I feel like I'm home. I feel like there's no other place to be. When it's all said and done, I'd like to be remembered as a being filled with love, because that's all we have. I mean, I do what I do because of passion and love, and I just want to be remembered as someone who gave other people a good time through love and care.